If you own a landscaping or a lawn care business, I want to show you a quick SEO hack that will help you rank #1 in the Google Map Pack. Now, if you already have a Google My Business account, you know how important it is to be adding pictures. And if you haven't been adding pictures, you need to start doing it. But there's a very specific way that you want to be adding pictures, and I'm going to show you a new technique that a lot of people are not talking about. So what's important to understand here is that Google interprets images a little bit differently than we might. And it's really important to understand what Google sees in an image before we upload it to Google. So what I want you to do is go on your web browser and type in Cloud Vision API. You'll be greeted with this website, and I want you to scroll down to the section that says Try the API. Here you're going to be able to upload an image and see exactly how Google interprets this image. So as you can see here, we're using an image of an active landscaping site, and we're going to see what Google detects. So one of the first things you're going to notice here is that Google detects landmarks. It detects where this image was taken as long as the metadata is in the image. And this video is going to be a little bit shorter. I'll make a separate video that's a little bit longer that shows you how to add metadata to an image so that you can rank locally for your specific city. The next thing it'll start detecting is faces and emotions, but that's not what we're interested in. We're a little bit more interested in the objects it detects, the labels, and the properties. We're going to go through some of those. So as you can see here, it detects a person, clothing, a house. But then when we get to labels, it starts detecting other things. It detects that there's construction happening, soil, blue collar work, heavy equipment, things that are going to be a little bit more related to the service that we're trying to rank for. But the other thing we also want Google to detect is writing. So for this next example, I uploaded this image of a landscaping truck, and you can see here that next to labels now it says text. And this is what's important to note here is Google detects all the text inside an image. And so you can see here that the words Franco and landscaping, it's detected them in the image. Why this is important is because your vehicle could be branded with all of this text that you're trying to rank for. So in other videos I've talked about in the past, how important it is to be ranking for a specific search phrase. For this example, we want to make sure that keywords include landscaping, retaining walls, any specific service you want to rank for. And that's why it's important that your branding is done the right way, because then you can upload images of this branding to Google and start ranking for it. So for this example, I gave you images that have text in them. I gave you images that have metadata that actually have a physical location, and the types of images that are going to rank for the specific services that you want to show up for in your local community. And I just wanted to create this simple short video that shows you one SEO hack that will help you rank better for Google My Business. But as you know, there are lots of other ranking factors that will go into ranking better on Google My Business. And if you're curious to know what some of those are, you can go ahead and watch some of our longer SEO tutorials that really break everything down for you. And if you need one-on-one help growing your landscaping business, you can always reach me at 971-381-7416 or visit landscapingmoney.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.